Welcome back sa aking channel at sa video ito ay tatalakayin ko ang factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. Ituloy nyo lang ang panonood at ito ay gagawin kong simple, detalyado at madaling intindihin. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe para updated ka sa mga susunod na videos i-upload ko sa channel na ito. Let us start the lesson by the following definition of terms. Sum of two cubes is a sum of two terms which are both perfect cubes. Difference of two cubes is a difference of two terms which are both perfect cubes. Perfect cube is a number whose cube root is a whole number. To illustrate our topic, x cubed plus y cubed equals quantity x plus y, quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. Please be guided on this. On the sum of two cubes, on the first factor is addition, on the second factor minus on each second term. X cubed plus y cubed is the sum of two cubes, x plus y is the binomial factor, x squared minus xy plus y squared is the trinomial factor. X cubed minus y cubed equals x minus y, quantity x squared plus xy plus y squared. Again, please be guided that in the difference of two cubes, the binomial factor is minus and addition on the second term of each trinomial factor. Next is the table of cube numbers from 1 to 12. Example, 216 is a cube number whose base is 6. In other way, we can say that the cube root of 216 is 6. And take note, in expressions, all multiples of 3 positive exponents are perfect cubes. Examples, x to the 6, 8x to the 9, 125m to the 18, and the likes. The following are the steps in factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. Step 1, get the cube root of each cube. Step 2, taking the operation between the cubes, obtain a binomial factor using the cube roots in step 1. Step 3, form the trinomial factor as follows. Letter A, square the first cube root. Letter B, take the negative product of the cube root. And letter C, square the second cube root. Let's proceed to our exercises. Number 1, factor x cubed plus 8. Since it is the sum of two cubes, the pattern will be used is x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus y, quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. In our problem, the first cube is x cubed, the second cube is 8. To find the factor, get the cube root of the terms. Cube root of x cubed equals x. Then plus cube root of 8 equals 2. To get the trinomial factor, square the first cube root, so we have x squared. 2 times x equals 2x, then square the second cube root, which is 2, equals 4. Therefore, the factors of x cubed plus 8 equals quantity x plus 2, quantity x squared minus 2x plus 4. Number 2, factor 27m cubed minus 125n cubed. To get the first binomial factor, get the cube root of the terms. Cube root of 27m cubed equals 3m minus cube root of 125n cubed equals 5n. To get its trinomial factor, get the squared of 3m equals 9m squared. Plus, multiply 3m and 5n equals 15mn. Get the squared of 5n equals 25n squared. Therefore, the factors of 27m cubed minus 125n cubed equals quantity 3m minus 5n, quantity 9m squared plus 15mn plus 25n squared. Problem number 3, factor 216r cubed minus 64. First, to get the binomial factor, get the cube root of 216r cubed, which is equivalent to 6r. Minus cube root of 64 equals 4. To get its trinomial factor, squared 6r equals 36r squared. Multiply 6r and 4 equals 24r. Squared 4 equals 16. Therefore, the factors of 216r cubed minus 64 equals quantity 6r minus 4, quantity 36r squared plus 24r plus 16. Number 4, factor 8 over 343z cubed plus 729. Cube root of 8 equals 2. Cube root of 343 is 7. Therefore, cube root of 8 over 343z cubed equals 2 over 7z. Plus cube root of 729 equals 9. To get its trinomial factor, the squared of quantity 2 over 7z squared equals 4 over 49z squared. Minus 2 over 7 times 9 equals 18 over 7. Plus 9 squared equals 81. Therefore, the factors of 8 over 343z cubed plus 729 equals quantity 2 over 7z plus 9, quantity 4 over 49z squared minus 18 over 7z plus 81. Muli, kung nagustuhan mo at nakatulong sa iyo ang video na ito, please like. At pakishare mo na rin para makatulong din tayo sa iba.